Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer money from PayPal to Truist Bank. Quick fix step by step clearly. To transfer money from PayPal to Truist Bank, start by logging into your PayPal account. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to the Wallet section. In the Wallet area, look for the option that says Transfer Funds. Click on Transfer Funds, and you will see two options, Add Funds and Withdraw Funds. Select Withdraw Funds to begin the transfer process. Next, choose your Truist Bank account from the list of available withdrawal options. If you haven't linked your Truist Bank account yet, click on Link a Bank Account to add it. Follow the prompts to enter your Truist Bank account details, including your account number and routing number. After linking your Truist account, return to the Withdraw Funds section. Specify the amount you wish to transfer from PayPal to your Truist Bank account. Review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct. Once confirmed, click on the Continue button to proceed. PayPal may ask you to verify your identity, so be prepared to complete any security checks. Upon successful verification, click on Transfer to finalize the transaction. You will receive a confirmation notification that your transfer is being processed. Typically, it takes 1 to 3 business days for the funds to arrive in your Truist Bank account. Watch for email updates from PayPal regarding the status of your transfer. Your funds will appear in your Truist Bank account once the transfer is complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.